Hello everyone, today, wow, barbecue, yeah, barbecue. Wow, so amazing today. Wow, so amazing. The soup and the pork and another one, this one, beef, I think. Wow, three together. Wow, so good, so good. Oh, wow, so nice, so good. Barbecue today, yeah. Woo, 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 barbecue. Today we went outside for family outing today, and then we came back, and then we washed car. After that we had a barbecue, yeah. Barbecue time.
Hello, David.
You know what? This one was today. We went outside for family outing, and then we came back. We washed car, and then we had a barbecue today. Let me explain this one pork, right? How can it? This is a what is it, Esther?
Sesame oil.
What is this one? Chili sauce.
Soy sauce.
Chili sauce.
Soy and chili.
Then
And then kimchi. Together kimchi.
kimchi and rice together, right? And really,
Good.
so delicious.
Bye.